I've just hot glued the metalwork there that I've got for the top gear and the shaft. I've just hot glued it in place to stop it rocking around while we put the paper over it. That bit of wood there is a children's jigsaw puzzle that's lost all its bits, so that will be the base eventually. And I will eventually hot glue the motor to the base. But what I'm going to do in this episode is just get the paper started, or the papier mache started on the tower. So I've got a plastic bowl, I've got some wallpaper paste, I've got some newspaper. So I'll mix up some wallpaper paste in the bowl and then tear this into strips, soak it, and then apply it. I've actually warmed the water just to make it more pleasant to use. You don't particularly need warm water for doing wallpaper paste. I've got a litre of water in there. This is supposed to be for 12 pints when it's full. I've obviously used some in the past. This will be far more than I need. Actually looks a bit thicker than I need it to be. I think I might have actually done enough. I was planning to make sort of 2 layers of it, but I think that might do. I said I had far too much paste.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.